I told you follow these guys and we start seeing exciting things.
Yes.
Very good we followed that car. You pots.
So, you're looking for a shadow. Shadow.
Shade. Why are you looking for a shade?
You're right, for a shade.
Oh my god, yeah, he
See the babies?
Yeah. There's lots. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Look at the tiny one.
Ah, look at that big one. Look at the...
Wait, I don't know my binoculars. They're in another car.
What are you want the binoculars for?
See
light.
clear. No. They're going to drink up half this water. It's
I
thirsty.
leave it to you to film it. Yes.
My name is Yitzchak.
It's
Hasn't changed.
Wow. There's no crocodile, see?
No crocodile.
They need to put one.
Look at this.
At least
Whole
one.
bunch of elephants coming here to the water to drink. Yeah, psaki shadow, little babies.
2024.
Tanzania 2024.
Hey, you see.
It's not me.
Not you see, Yankee.
Donkey can't scream.
You cannot scream,
Not
it's not allowed.
allowed.
Where's my pepper?
Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Stuff.
Wow, look at it all coming to drink. It's so sweet. It's so cute. Tiny little elephant.
Mamish tiny.
Yeah, I've never seen a small elephant.
That's why he's saying it's grown.
From the back there.
Very
The
tiny.
babies.
Only
Huge
babies.
one coming, a huge one.
Big male coming from an end.
Ah, wow.
Protect them.
Very good.
Okay, they don't know how many videos
Do
They
they,
are killer animals. This.
do they not like to drink like fresh water from a what's the name?
This is fresh.
It's look at the colour of it.
Because of the mud underneath.
You think it's clean water?
For them it's clean.
Listen. It's too much talking.
Shh, can everyone please be quiet? Shh.
That little baby, she's just getting into the mud.
In the water.
She's learning how to drink.
Yeah, they
without
see.
the tree.
Yeah.
Elephant walking that way.
Look how beautiful the baby playing. Oh, so nice.
He's kicking his leg.
Yeah, because he want to get wet. Oh, about food.
From the back to the behind.
Ah, look there. Wow, look, they do this one.
The size of him.
He's in the water. He's gone for a dip.
That one is just like swimming.
Look at them, they're going right in the water.
Wow, wow, one in the water.
Look at them, two of them. Two of them gone
They can
right.
come out.
No, they're not coming out.
Babies cannot come
They
out.
get in the pool and this is like a swimming pool to them.
How much it plays. Wow.
Beautiful this.
But this is
I wish they were
I think
right
South Africa is better. It's good crocodiles. You're fighting.
Shit.
You think South Africa is better?
This is this crocodile. This challenge.
Let me tell you something.
Look at them, look at them.
Not good.
Let's go para o Caribe. So cute, huh?
Beautiful. Shame is too far away. Shame.
Aber deine Kiste ist hier so heiß. Kann man den Kisten
Haven't got my nuts.
not in the Jeep.
No.
Look at the water. They push in the water.
A full grown-up elephant need minimum water where to go to drink. They can smell water.
I know, but
They migrate to seek for water.
sometimes they few days without water.
No, they cannot go a day without water.
So how they do it?
So they make sure they're around water.
Elephant may know how to store water in their body, but not to drink. It's just to cool the body, especially baby during the migration. Because when the baby migrates,
Es geht der Buch, kommt die gleiche mitten. This one. Very.
Where's my phone?
Oh yeah, you pushed everyone.
It's true. I lost the tree. Video, ne?
yeah.
Beautiful.
How clear is it? Probably will follow. Constant inside.
Look how he's climbing out. See how he's climbing
They
out
put, like,
sideways?
Very clever. They're very
Little one,
clever.
she's going inside the water. So the mother splashing the water to the baby, not to the baby to be convinced to get deeper because she might be drowned. Although they're very good on swimming, like cows.
Look at these little ducks come along. They're so cute. Makes it look so natural.
Mm-hmm. It's natural.
Once they drink, and the schnozzle.
The maximum.
Because once they go to drink, they save water in their belly. It helps them to digest the food. Remember elephant, they have a simple stomach, which digestion pig.
Yeah.
Exactly, they have a simple stomach.
I see.
But pig at least they have,
Very
they know how to chew
round.
very well. Here they come.
Here's another one. He's capping a bit more. He's capping a
But
bit
you
more.
want
He
this-
want one more litre.
Yeah.
These things with the trunk, they push your car over.
It's
They
easy.
flick you like a
Yeah.
stone.
Look how
They're
beautiful.
reversing.
Oh,
You know, these Carrot just missed the drinking. You know what I mean? The Carrot turning up now. Look at these big ones coming back to the water. Padre.
One more liter, you're right. Tapanach.
Ein Liter, das ist 15 Liter, das ist ein paar Mal.
Where are you going? Where are you going, everyone?
They're going in reverse.
Why are they going away?
The elephants are going to cross.
They're going to go. The people are coming here. They're going in the green, you see. It's allowed. No.
He didn't say not allowed to.
He said
Because
before it
it's
was
soft.
I know, I understand. They know where to go.
Terry, look at Shimshon, what he does.
He's a gangster. He's proper Israeli.
Wait, he actually live in Israel?
No.